Every child has a unique voice, but the reality is that not every child can use their voice effectively. iPath is a 3-phase youth empowerment program designed to help young people build confidence, self-awareness, and strong communication skills. It is rooted in a well-established principle from positive social psychology and social emotional learning, which means that what we focus on is the core human skills that can help young people thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. This program takes students through a pathway where they discover who they are, they understand their natural strengths, and they communicate with confidence. What makes this workshop really unique is that it's not just theory. Through the 3 phases of discover, define, and deliver, students actively practice and apply what they learn each week through structured activities, reflection, team challenges, and presentation skills. Growth is therefore visible, clear, and measurable. At the end of the workshop, students have a stronger sense of identity, the ability to communicate with confidence, and have practical skills to be able to set meaningful goals and take action. These are lifelong tools that help children thrive in school, with friends, in life, and in their future careers. Join our iPath program at OakLearning Center today.